Happy Thursday. We are on week 22 of the Hope Does campaign. Our goal as Christians is, since we have a living hope from God, we would live in a way that shows that hope. Our goal this week is hope seeks unity. Your verse for today is Hebrews chapter 12, verse 12 through 17. Those verses really emphasize the idea that Christians are meant to be healers. We are meant to be the kind of people that when others spend time with us, they are better for that time. They come out stronger, they come out healthier, they come out encouraged. And in the middle of those verses it says, pursue peace with all men, without which sanctification we will not see the Lord. If our hope is to see the Lord, then we've got to be people who pursue peace. So I'm going to hearken you back a couple of weeks ago to the idea that we talked about of praying for your enemies. And one of your tasks was to think of somebody that is not a friend, somebody who has been historically an enemy for you, and to pray for them for a week. Now I want you to extend yourself one step further. I want you to ask yourself, is there anything I could do to lead to reconciliation and peace with that person? And then I want you to go and do those things, because we are going to see the Lord, and we do not want that on our conscience. Christians are healers. We mend when we can. So pursue peace with all men, including your enemies. That is your task. It's a big one. It's a hard one, and I want you to be prayerful about it. But then I want you to step out and live the hope God gives us. Have a great day, and we'll see you next week.